Oh, wow.
Hello.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. I'm just putting a couple things out here.
Okay.
We have some things in the narthex. You're welcome to look in there. And then, of course,
Around back still? Okay.
down and from Thorn Street driveway. There's
And is it open now?
Yeah, my sister's down there.
Okay.
So the door should be open.
So we can take a look up here for now, though?
You're certainly
Okay.
welcome to. Come on up. Are you looking for anything in particular?
Just looking for anything, really. We're not picky.
You're not picky. Okay.
No. If we see something that catches our eye, we're good.
Okay. Well, who's picky?
Wasn't ready for that.
Oh, Play-Doh, Dad. Peppa Pig Play-Doh.
Oh, that's what happened.
It's a Peppa Pig Play-Doh.
Do you guys have the key for this one?
You know what? I didn't bring that up. I don't know what.
It's locked.
Usually the key is taped to
That's why I was looking.
Can I get this as my toy?
Maybe.
Dad, look at this. It's a Peppa Pig.
I have no idea where the key to this is.
Okay.
I might find a key somewhere, but
Yeah, it was sitting right here. I thought maybe it's sitting next to it, but
it should be taped to the top, but obviously it's not. This conglomeration actually you make it in a stand and you put it together with these things and it's a stand.
what do you see, bro?
Huh?
What do you see?
It's just like a dog.
There's a
Gotcha. Ton of stuff in here.
Well, there's a ton of stuff downstairs. Yes, we have some things up here. It's a shame that it's,
Raining.
such a rainy day. Good morning.
Dad, this is a walking
I really wish that safe had the key. We don't need those. We have a ton of those.
So we had
Come to this one.
What's that?
This is a double R.
I don't know how much it was. How much are you?
Okay, this is two.
16.
Yeah.
There you go.
This is 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 16.
There's 15.
Yes, sir.
There's 16.
Thank you. Yeah.
Right? Left hand? Right?
Yes, I do. Thank you for stopping. And
The stuff outside there.
yes, and it's not sure where to go. Oh, do you want it back? No, you're okay. Do you want it back or you're
I'm
fine?
good.
Okay. I like your shirt, that's nice, okay. Hello, everybody, hi.
How much are these?
Price on those?
Yeah.
Let me see.
I think I got stuck.
They're, pardon me.
It's okay.
These made in Germany. Some of them are actually made in Germany, Brazil. Let me see. And these salt and pepper. I'll do 2 instead of 3. I'll do just 2 if you want that.
Okay.
These ones are more because they're actual. Those ones are 7, 8, 12. Prices should be on the others. Hello. Hello, ladies. Thanks for stopping. Hello.
Yeah, these three here, they were pretty nice. These two here,
Yeah.
yeah, those are pretty good.
Yeah, I do the same thing.
How much? Five. Here, bring it over here.
All those games. I don't know if
Bring it over here.
You want this cake? No.
Pardon, I'm just grabbing this pad of paper here.
You know, guys are not getting Angel.
Yeah, just keep it when you go to the
Upstairs. If you go
Yeah, we were already up there
Oh,
actually.
you're already up there.
Yeah.
Good, very good.
Yep.
Stuff in and you just drop it down. That shoe is to put your earrings on. It's poison.
yeah.
You gotta get them on there so you don't lose them, huh? Got lots of hurry?
Yeah, there's a few games.
Can I set these right here?
Dictionary.
Yes, sir. Oh, yeah, go ahead.
Car, talking, program, all kinds of stuff. This is DVDs. You see this DVD, sir?
Yeah,
You did take a look at it. Okay, very good.
Candace, are they trying to put anything
Yeah.
outside? Chris already has stuff set up. A little bit, but most of the stuff is still in
Look,
the
they're jelly bean candles. Look, Dad. Jelly bean candles.
You think the rain will let up? It might, yeah.
Yeah, French vanilla there.
It's gonna come in waves, I think, yeah. Depends on how many of those yellow and orange ones come at us.
How much are the cost of fan?
Good day to go around and say, oh,
Oh, a pop socket. There's a mount for a pop socket.
We're good.
A pop socket.
We're good. No, Brentley already pointed those out. Let's skip over here.
less. I don't know.
It still does.
Oh, what about these? They're look, they're these.
Look at clothes. $4 t-shirts. Okay.
No messes. Sips. Oh. Dad, there's a phone.
Not a phone.
What is it then?
Oh, it's not a phone. Maybe some type of case.
Oh my, look, there's one. Look at this.
Yeah, it doesn't do anything for us. I think this might be it. Excuse me.
These. I don't want my.
Okay, this one.
I think it was marked 2 at the bottom.
Yeah, that's two. We did that 'cause that's good. Okay. Okay, now these are men's shirts.
Yeah, how much are those?
Okay. Okay. All right. So that's 4 apiece.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or 2 apiece, right?
Excuse me. Yeah.
4 total.
Let's do-
Yep.
Yeah, 4.
That
Sorry.
works.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.50. I'm getting 13.50.
Okay.
13.50. Now I'm gonna have another pen. This is
It's 14.
14. Okay, I owe you 50 cents.
Okay.
Oh God, she didn't give me any change.